I'm Sarah from NestScale, and in this video, I'll show you how to show estimated delivery date on your Shopify cart and checkout pages. The result will look something like this. This can be done with a free Shopify app called Estimated Delivery Date. There will be two steps as shown on screen. Let's get on with the first step. So the first step is installing the app and its estimated delivery date. Now we go to the app section. In the search bar, type the word keyword and its estimated delivery date and click on search and its estimated delivery date in Shopify App Store. You should see the app show up. Click on it. Then click on install. From this page, hit install app in the bottom right corner, and that's it. And estimated delivery date is now installed on your store. So the second step is to start showing estimated delivery date on your cart and checkout. In the apps on the left hand corner, you can see your list of sections, but we only care about advanced setting in this video, so click on that. Here, you will first turn on the toggle on the first line, and right below, customize your message. I try a staple of mine, estimated delivery date between, and below there, the order delivery mean, and next to it, max. These are the earliest and latest dates that your customer will receive the order. Now that I customized the estimated delivery date message, there's a preview on the right for you to visualize the message on your customer screen. Let's check my online store. And click on the first item, the table names. Here the product page. Before we continue with the cart checkout page, you might notice that my product page has very beautiful variant image right here. This is the result of our app and has color swatch variant images. If you're interested, check out the video on the upper right corner. Right below, there's also an estimated delivery date message, which if you want to know how to add, check out this other video right up here. Now let's get back to the main task. Let's click add to cart, and boom, you see that the estimated delivery date message I created earlier is right up on the cart, and for checkout, the message is also shown, eliminating any concerns customer may have when visiting your store. And that's a wrap. Install NS estimated delivery date to show estimated delivery date on your store cart and checkout pages now. The download link is in the description or pinned comment. If you found this tutorial helpful, give a thumbs up. And if you want to show estimated delivery date on your product page, check this video up here. And if you want to take your product display even further, like adding beautiful color swatches or customizing your product page layout, check out my other tutorial in the upper right corner.